Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to turn TikTok sound into ringtone. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on our YouTube channel, cause we post content like this in our channel. So to get notified for this kind of video, be sure to subscribe. So let's get started with today's video. So before starting this video, I want to tell you guys you need to download an app from which you can convert the video into audio. So I'm using Video Compressor, but you can just go to your Play Store and type video to audio converter and download whichever one you think is good. It's not compulsory you need to use this Video Compressor, but let's get with the video. Open TikTok. So let's suppose I want to use this audio as a ringtone for my phone, so let me just download this video. So once the video is downloaded, you can go to Video Compressor, press on start, then click on video to mp3 and click on the TikTok video you just downloaded. Mine's at the top, so I'm going to click on it and click on convert to mp3 and then click on convert and press on start. And after it's converted, go to the place where the audio is stored. For me it's in recording, so let me go on my recording real quick. And so as you guys can see, this is the audio. So I want to set this as my ringtone, so let me just press on select and then click on it, and then on the bottom there is set as ringtone. Press on it. So I can set it as a call ringtone for sim 1, sim 2, or SMS ringtone, or as an alarm ringtone, whichever I want. So I'm gonna set it as a call ringtone for sim 1, so whoever calls me, this is gonna be played. So remember, for me, I'm using a Oppo, so this is how I set a ringtone. But if you're using another phone like Samsung, iOS, then you can just go to the audio and then make it into a ringtone, like how you normally make a music into a ringtone, because it's just the audio. It's an mp3 file. So after you do this, you can just convert it into a ringtone. So basically the steps are: download the TikTok video, convert it to mp3, and then set it as a ringtone, because you can only set mp3 as ringtone. You cannot set a video as a ringtone. That's why you need to convert the video's audio into mp3. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.